I've been ballin' since the 6th grade. Earrings was so big.
Couldn't even see my damn face. Did you get the mixtape? Ballin' no NBA. I be ballin' out.
Gotcha, bitch.
Bro, why do they have to be snitches? Like, damn, like, what y'all on with me, for? Like, I was a little tardy, but damn, I ain't gotta slap that on there like that. Bro, this zesty ass Cupid shuffle, what the fuck is he doing? Zesty ass, freaky ass Cupid.
Ooh, what's on YouTube, man? As I can tell, I'm not where I started at, man. You feel me? Shorty, I'm in Cancun right now. I'm in Cancun, man. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, man. But I ain't finna do all that talking, man. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, I'm in this bitch. No chop. I just said, fuck it, man. For my birthday, I'm finna go to Cancun. Today is my birthday, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm in this bitch with my main man, Kev. Y'all see the nigga eating grub, you feel me? But yeah, man, motherfuckers out here just catching a vibe, bro. You feel me? They ain't wanna, usually, you know, motherfuckers go to clubs and all that other shit. I was like, fuck it, why not go out the country on some spontaneous shit? So that's what I'm doing. Y'all won't believe what the fuck happened, bro. It's fucking water on the fucking floor, bro. The shower fucking overflowed, bro. Like the drain wasn't fucking draining, bro. And there's water on the fucking floor. Alright, vloggy vlog. We got the little water situation taken care of. And now we finna fucking eat. It's a little restaurant right here. It look kinda good. It's like a little Mexican restaurant, so we finna see what's to it. And you feel me? This shit all inclusive, you feel me? So I just showed them this, saying my name. And you feel me? Motherfuckers, we eat. Shit. Yesterday, boy, this nigga Kev had me eating like I ain't never ate before, boy. I'm steaks back to back, slabs of chicken, all kind of shit, stir fry, whole lot of everything. Y'all can't see my face, but yeah, man, we finna grill up and I'm finna show y'all in front of them. This motherfucker look hella good. Y'all see that? Oh no, these like tacos, that like chicken or something. I don't know, whatever the fuck it is, it look fucking good. A Delta, I guess, a Delita tacos, quesadillas. For now. Yeah, yeah, it's my B-Day.
Oh, damn.
Full face, baby.
Yeah.
So surprises.
Would you like to drink?
Yeah.
You got alcohol? I want like what? Just surprise. I just want
Like
some alcohol.
mixed drink. It's his birthday, so turn him up. Get him a mixed drink.
That's it.
That's it. Then I'll do beer. That's fine. Beer is fine. Yeah.
I came for the beer and the bitches.
I'll drink beer. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a man.
On a mixed drink. What kind of liquor you
I
got?
don't think they got none. I don't think they got none. She just said it's only beer and wine. Ooh, that shit look good. Fun up. Yeah. Shit, this shit coming.
You know that's the Corona.
Yeah, let me see. They love Corona.
That's crazy!
Yeah, okay.
Gracias. Let's see what folks has come out.
No, sorry. Okay, cool. It's cool. Let me get like 3 tacos, beef tacos.
Fat ass.
Okay, yeah. Do you have
Fuck no.
okay, you got
Good job, beer.
You got onion.
Hey, he gonna be so blue. My taco finna be so plain.
What do you mean by that?
What is this?
Avocado.
No.
Mexican sauce. Onion. Pineapple. Two sauce is spicy.
Which one is the least spiciest?
Very good is green sauce. This is spicy.
Which one is this one?
Red tomato. It's spicy.
Hell no, I don't. I just want that. I just want. I don't like nothing. Yeah, give me some lemon. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you, my friend.
Excellent.
Bro, look at his shit. Look at my shit, boy. Motherfuckers was not fucking with all that, boy. My shit so plain with the Corona going. Hey, this is a great fucking vibe, yeah. Happy birthday, man. So y'all, I smacked my tacos, but I went back and backdoored. So this is like, he said chicken something. I don't know what the fuck it is. I mean, you know, y'all know when I had chicken, I go. Typical. And then this is like seafood rice. So it's shrimp, it's clams, whatever the fuck them is. I think I said it right. Clams and other shit, peas, rice. Yo, look at this nigga, bro. Like, he know, look, why you looking at me, bro? Like, I legit hate these motherfuckers, bro. I ain't tell y'all the story about how I was in St. Thomas got attacked by one of them bitches, bro. I do not like iguanas at all. Fuck y'all. So dumb. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. As y'all can see, man, motherfuckers got the stove going. Oh no, but motherfuckers on the way to the beach, I think, or the pool. Either we gonna check out both. We trying to kill time. Finna get drunk. Finna smoke the stove. You feel me? Get y'all some footage on phone no. Fuck is they doing over there? I just need some lick.
People have been up for English, motherfucker, do you speak it? Oh my god, my best friend.
I don't know what the fuck they saying.
A big applause for Joe from Germany!
Ooh, fuck, look at that. Hey, motherfuckers say make these pose. This nigga can't step forward with his freaky ass.
I don't care.
This shit a vibe, bro. Like, this shit is overly a vibe, man. Like, I'm trying to focus for y'all. Like, there it go right there. This shit is a super vibe, bro. I think over there playing in Hollywood, y'all see, man. Like, what the fuck? I'm just happy to be alive, bro. It's my B-Day. It's my fucking birthday, man. Yeah, I can't see me because of the sun. It's my fucking birthday. I'm out the fucking country doing some shit that niggas ain't probably never gonna do in their whole life, you feel me? On some spontaneous shit. Twofold, man. Many blessings on the way. A lot of other shit, man. Whole lot of money, whole lot of blessings, whole lot of better shit. Next trip, I told myself, 25, I'm finna go somewhere even better. Before now. Yeah, I'm trying to get y'all some footage, but the sun is behind me, bro. That shit fucking shit up, but y'all see me, shorty just hooked the nigga up. I'm phone them. She's made a nigga take a shot, too. So I'm damn if it be looking like this palm tree in a second, leaning and shit. Y'all see the vibe, man. I'm phone them. Nigga, I'm really in fucking Mexico. I'm blessed, man. I keep telling y'all, bro, I'm really blessed, bro. I'm really blessed. There's people out here that ain't never been nowhere, you feel me? Some niggas out here that ain't never been off they block before. Never, you feel me? But I'm in a whole different country with my homies, bro. Like, you just living, bro. You feel me? Got the drink in here. I'm drunk. It's my 24th birthday. I'm blessed, man. That's all I can say. I'm blessed. Yeah, now that's what I really should do, for I'm finna zoom in all the way on their ass. Like, that shit, I can see their ass. Oh, shit. I'm finna fall. I'm trying to get y'all the inside scoop. I'm finna fall in this bitch. Oh no. Vibes.
Okay, we recording live. Kim, you know, feel me? I done made some new friends.
Oh, look at that.
Friend, what's your name? Say your name, where you from? Let me hear it.
I'm Annie and I am from London.
Yeah, my London friend.
Yes.
Yeah. Say something. Give me some of that accent. Tell me what the water like. Yeah.
Friends, come and show me what it's like. Come and show me what the accent is like.
Yeah, tell them. Ask them what the water
Let's do
feel
the
like.
accent together.
Yeah, this is my
They
other
want to
friend.
know how we sound.
Yes, we want to hear that.
England, guys.
Yes, it's nothing exciting.
Tell them. Let's go to the water.
Let's go to the water.
Yeah. It's my other friend from Chicago too. Yeah, she's straight out of Indianapolis. Yeah,
Don't do that. No.
Yeah. Let me hear some, baby.
What am I supposed to say?
Just say something. I want to hear something with an accent. Where you? Let me hear it.
I don't
Represent.
think people from that place have an accent.
And they don't. You gotta say something. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. I do like the way she talk though. Then little baby fine. Hey man, we is having fun out here in Cancun, man. It's my nigga birthday, you feel me? 24, man. We gotta turn up. You only turn 24 one time, man. So we gonna live it up, you feel me? We is going stupid tonight, and we is out this bitch, you hear me?
Fuck. How cliche is this? I'm walking with a plate full of watermelon.
God damn, that was racist.
Hey, that shit damn a racist for. What damn a racist he gave me all this watermelon for? What the fuck? We're back, YouTube, man. Last night, we had fun last night. Also, we got a drug. It's my birthday, 24 look good on me, man. Feeling good, looking good. And guess what? I'm out the country, still on class, man. Blackboard and shit, man. I'll see to collaborate. But, yeah, man. Today we just here for another day full of adventures. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm gonna eat it though. I'm gonna for sure eat that shit, but I don't know what the fuck it is. Oh no, she going crazy. Again, look at that fuck. Ooh, good eats, man.
Boy, that crepe was just overly delicious. And now I'm up there finna grab some food. We do it both ways. We eat bad, we eat good at the same time. I just got a class. Nah, I'm finna eat bad. I'm finna get fucking drunk, man. This bitch is fucking bad. Y'all see, bad. Grapefruit. Watermelon, how cliche. Watermelon.
Shaft!
Oh, yeah.
What happened to your shaft?
There's powerful niggardry at work here.
Of course. Let me get kiwi. Let me get the oranges. And then let me get some pineapple. So I'm finna get my dick in it. I'm lying. So when I tell y'all I'm definitely about to gain some weight on this trip, bro. Look, now I'm eating pasta. Pasta with some fucking champagne. Like, y'all see the vibes, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna come back to the States 30 pounds heavier on clothing, and I'm drunk. Off mimosas, in the game, change my name of the game, because I shoot niggas from the farthest lane, you feel me? So y'all, as I'm enjoying my pasta and mimosa, champagne, it wants to start fucking raining. What the fuck? There goes the neighborhood. And y'all thought I was blacking. It's fucking raining. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Okay, cool. Alright, we're toasting Shit. Y'all, I'm contemplating on concluding this video. I think I'm about to just conclude it, man. I'm about to just conclude it, man. I'm out here drunk, man. I'm in Mexico. Y'all see the vibes. Phone them, man. My 24th birthday was a success, man. This is one, this one was one for the books, man. One for the books. Once you feel me, man, hey. You just gotta, sometimes you gotta say, fuck it, we ball, man. You can't wait for people, you gotta get up and go. You just gotta get up and fucking go. and do your thing, man, and live life, man. Cause I tell people a lot, man. You gotta live a little, cause niggas die a lot, bro. You feel me? Don't wait. Say don't put that shit on till tomorrow. No, do that shit today. Do that shit today, man. But hey, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And like I say, at the end of the day, you gotta make a play. We gone.